Give it up for Nigel Stoll, everybody.
You only see him at Third Rock News. And my name is Kalen Jingles.
And I'm Raman Neal.
And this is Third Rock News.
Today, U.S. is expected to hit debt ceiling by October 17th, says Treasury Secretary. Jack Lew has said that the U.S. government and Republicans are at a stalemate over extending the credit limit needed to avoid default. Failure to reach a deal would be catastrophic for the U.S. economy. If we have insufficient cash on hand, it would be impossible for the United States of America to meet all of its obligations for the first time in our history, said Lew. Washington faced a similar impasse over its debt ceiling in 2011. The 2011 compromise included a series of automatic budget cuts known as the sequester, which came into effect earlier this year.
And in Syrian news, there are many civilians taking part of the rebel offensives against the Syrian army in the city of Daraa. Military analysts say the fight is one of the most strategic and important battles of the Syrian civil war. Syrian opposition leaders was deeply disappointed by President Barack Obama's decision to call off threats for military strikes in favor of the diplomacy after the Syrian government allegedly chemical weapon used against the civilians of Syria. The CIA vented the rebel groups that received the arms to make sure none went to the Islamic extremists for help. But tell me guys, what do you guys think? Do you guys think that America's doing a smart choice by choosing diplomacy over war? What do you think will be the next step for the Syrian rebel army? What do you think the next step will be for the Syrian government? What do you think Assad should do? Leave your comments down below. We'd love to hear it.
In Kenya, the international police body Interpol has issued a wanted persons notice for Briton Samantha Lewthwaite at Kenya's request. Ms. Lewthwaite, 29, is the widow of one of 4 suicide bombers who attacked London on July 7, 2005. She has been linked with Somali militant Islamist group Al-Shabaab. Al-Shabaab was behind the attack and subsequent 4-day siege at the Westgate shopping complex in the Kenyan capital. Al-Shabaab, which is linked to Al-Qaeda, has repeatedly threatened attacks on Kenyan soil if Nairobi did not pull its troops out of Somalia. The group, which is believed to have between 7,000 and 9,000 fighters, is fighting to create an Islamic state in Somalia.
And last up, this is kind of a personal story for me. The city of San Francisco do Sul in Brazil have had a chemical explosion in one of the plants allegedly. And it just happened, so it's unknown who died or how many people died or not. But I know that they are evacuating people out of the city because of all the chemicals, and I think a couple of police officers died, if any. But it's still up in information still coming in. You'll definitely hear it first from us. And yeah, the people, hopefully they're okay. I know I have some family out there, so I'm hoping that everything will be all right with them. All right, thanks for watching Third Rock News. Leave your comments down below for any questions, anything that we need to improve on the show, anything you like, dislike, likes and gripes, anything like that. Comment down, subscribe if you can, like our show, or dislike, whatever one. And next up we have a great musical talent, one of my good friends, Nigel Stoll. said, Rama.